Hey friends, welcome back to the second devlog for GrownAI. Before we get into today's story, I just wanted to say thanks for the warm feedback on the first video. I know it wasn't some polished documentary, but two of you left really thoughtful comments, and that honestly meant a lot. This series is going to stay chill, just me sharing what we're building, how it's going, and what we're learning along the way. So, let me take you back to where it started. About 2 months ago, my co-founder Lucas and I sat down, virtually of course, to talk about what kind of app we could build. He already had a big list of ideas in his notes, and our goal was clear: build something with AI, something real, useful, and exciting. We looked at everything: link in bio tools, AI social networks, niche productivity things, but nothing really clicked at first. And honestly, I was nervous. I'm a web developer, not a mobile dev, so this was totally new ground for me. But then we thought, what's something almost everyone struggles with? And the answer was simple: reaching your goals. Big life goals are exciting, but also exhausting. You start pumped, and then 2 weeks later, it's like, I'll do it on Monday. We all know that shelf of goals that quietly turned into regrets. And that's when it clicked. What if we help people turn those big goals into small daily progress? Like a coach that helps you go 1% better every day. I saw a quote on X: if you improve just 1% daily, by the end of the year, you're 37 times better. That became our golden idea. But there was still something missing. Even with tiny steps, people still fall off. Why? Because doing it alone is hard. So we added a twist. What if you had a personal AI coach? One that guides you, motivates you, answers your questions, and actually sticks with you. It sounds simple now, but it felt like a breakthrough. A coach who's available 24/7, tailored to your exact goal, with real personality. It's like having a gym trainer, but for your life. Now, here's the thing. I had zero experience with iOS development. I knew how to code, but Swift and mobile, not my world. That's where AI really came in. We started using Cursor, an AI-powered IDE, and honestly, it felt like having a third teammate. At first, I was just copy-pasting prompts, and it worked surprisingly well. But as the app got more complex, Cursor started getting messy. It's easy to lose track of where the logic is, what the AI did, and how to debug it. So I had to slow down and create some rules for how I use it. Things like always name functions clearly, keep files modular, avoid repeating code, and make Cursor recheck what it generates. Now I mostly use it to explain code or help refactor, not write everything from scratch. If you're curious, I can share my prompt rules. Drop a comment and I'll post them. So we finally started building. No designs, no fancy UI, just wireframes, vibes, and a big to-do list. Lucas focused on the onboarding flow, which is super important. That's where users meet their coach for the first time. I jumped into building the home screen. I was obsessed with Duolingo's layout, that fun, gamified vertical scroll. Tried to recreate that vibe for habits and goal steps. And yeah, it was rough. Took hours, tons of bugs, and so much trial and error. But eventually, it clicked. Even with fake data, it felt like a real app. Next, we had to generate real content. Lucas worked on integrating the AI model and writing the prompt that builds your actual step-by-step plan. Meanwhile, I focused on making those steps more fun, built interactive components, visuals, and animations. Then we hit a wall. Reading steps felt boring after a while, so we added quizzes, lightweight, animated, and designed to help you retain what you learned. That little addition brought so much life into the app. And then, finally, the coach. We hooked up the same model, but now it knew which step you were on, so it could guide you specifically based on your progress. You could ask for advice, vent, or just chat, and it all felt natural. So yeah, that's how GrownAI started. from a note in Lucas's phone to a working AI-powered app in just a couple of months. We're still early and still building, but it's already way more than we expected. If you're curious to try it, the link is in the description, and if you want to chat or follow the process, join our Discord. The community's small but growing. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video or have ideas for what you want to see next, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.